Tyler. Oh, yeah! Well, welcome back to the RX-8. Today, we're going to be replacing some coolant hoses, and I'm going to deal with that wiring mess there on the throttle body.
Yo, tengo Calderón, Omar, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy.
Everything was going good until I started moving this reservoir around. And as I'm moving this thing around, I noticed that there was some more coolant coming out. Let's see, and as you can see in the bottom of the reservoir, that hose there's some plastic that's snapped off from the top of the radiator down there. If you can see a broken bit there. So now I get to do some upgrades. I found a Megan Racing radiator, shipped to the house, a little bit for shipping, but shipped to the house was like $215 or something. So it's an all aluminum radiator, so it should be much better. I shouldn't have that problem anymore. Plus it'll just cool a lot better. But other than that, I mean, here's what we got so far. I don't have nothing like plugged in yet, but it's all just started. It looks a little bit better, and some of these hoses were in pretty rough shape. And down here I got some more coolant leaking. Gonna replace those clamps way down in there. And then there's two coolant hoses in there. We're gonna replace those clamps. Probably not the hoses for now. I'll just keep them. And then well, now I can't drive the car or nothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and start fix up those coolant hoses, get them where they need to be, and then I'm gonna pull this thing apart and get ready to replace the radiator on it. So that'll be a fun job. You know, welcome to working on cars, right? Part of the fun, you know, though. So luckily it's just a project car. Run into issues, whatever, just keep going with it. I'm just gonna finish up couple of these coolant hoses, replace a couple of the clamps, and I'm just gonna start working on the radiator. That's the only thing I can do, you know. So we'll see you next time.